South Mountain State Park. We're gonna go see High Shoals Falls and possibly take a little more hike beyond that.
What do you think of this hike, guys?
Awesome!
Are we ready to get started?
Awesome! Yeah!
How you doing back there, Lean and Mean?
Say hi.
Pretty good?
Hi!
Say hi.
Hi! Lane?
Hi!
Hi! Where are we going, Jake? Nowhere.
We're on the road to nowhere.
Apparently we're going nowhere.
We're going hiking! Hi, Adventures! I'm Purple Unicorn Princess!
And then comes out over here.
It comes over there.
Comes on down the mountain.
Mama Mouse spends a lot of time back here recording everybody.
Oh wait, there's a violet.
Where?
Right here. There.
Oh, see one.
See the violet?
Yeah,
And there goes Big Strong leading the way again. He likes to do that. We're heading out to the waterfall because we love waterfalls. One day we'll do that trail. Oh, that's pretty fun. I like the rocks. I'm just talking to myself. I always have a buddy on the trail. At the river, guys. Oh, that's beautiful. Kaylee is going to take a little dip in the river. Oh, now I guess Jakey's going to too. He's big, strong, and brave now.
Yeah!
Having fun?
You think any animals live in this water?
Probably some fish.
Probably. I need to potty really bad.
Oh. Okay, well, we're working on it.
Come on, Jenny.
Is it cold? What do you think, Big Strong? What's it like? Are you cold, Jake? We're not walking slower, y'all gotta walk faster. Oh, we're catching up. Okay guys, which way are we going?
Okay, we're looking for the places.
Got the camera on.
We're going to High Shoals Falls.
Thank you, my darling.
You back there?
No. Yeah, I got this. What?
Hello.
I'm good.
Hey, this way or this way? Go read it. Let us know.
No, I just can't say.
There you go.
Look at all these roots.
This year.
Look
Yeah.
cool. Look at our little bridge we're going across. Guys, if I'm paying more attention to you, I'm probably gonna fall in the water. Oh, Papa Bear's helping me. Uh-oh. He's gonna scoot down. He's a little bit scared of these stairs. We made it down the death trap stairs.
Oh, cool. A freshly broken piece of this rock looks like marble cake.
Huh. Can we eat it?
Wow. The swirling pattern is evidence that the rock is exposed to very high temperatures and pressures during the mountain building.
A little bit. Let's go. What are you doing, guys? Why don't y'all move out of the trail? This is what we might fall in if we take one false step. It's dangerous. I read the sign, it said dangerous. He's laughing at me. He's wrong, but... Okay. Okay, so we're probably gonna die on this trail. This may be the last words we ever say. This is more strenuous than we're used to. There's a lot of rough terrain. You see my life flash before my eyes. There was the day I was born. See right there? The day I was born. Just kidding, that's not me. Yeah, looks like that caught on fire, and that's probably how we're gonna die as well. There was a fire here maybe a few years back, I don't know, but there was a fire because someone didn't put out their campfire like they're supposed to. I'm not missing this waterfall for anything. I don't even care if I die first.
Well, then you wouldn't miss it. You'd be dead.
Oh no, I'll die after I see it because then I'll be happy. Some rough rocks coming up. If I don't die, I will tell my grandkids about this.
Think about the early explorers or the Native Americans that lived here and how they got to explore all this. All
He's
those
teaching
bridges
us
we went
again.
across, huh?
He's teaching us again.
All these bridges we went across, they didn't have it. All they had was rocks.
And they probably stayed their butts in their teepees. That's where I would have stayed.
Not if they had to get water and food.
I ain't going up here to get water and food. There's water and food down there.